Yo, what's good everybody? This is Felix, and today we have some more accessory pieces that we need for the STi that we're gonna get onto the block. Our main thing today is our brand new OEM oil cooler. We have a fuel pump spacer. I'm gonna get to why I need this. I'm gonna be making a slight change to the fuel system before this car is ready to go and before it gets on the dyno. So looking forward to this. I'm gonna make a video on this. It's probably gonna be a little controversial, but it is what it is. We have this. We have our brand new OEM oil pressure switch. This goes right here on the top galley port. I know this would be a good time to upgrade an oil pressure switch in there, like an actual one, because this only triggers at 2 PSI. By the time the engine light goes on, you're already cooked, to be honest. So, but just need this for now, just so we don't have the oil light on the dash. So we'll have this in, and eventually we'll get that oil pressure switch in there. But yeah, I mean, this is the part number here that you want for a new OEM STi oil cooler. Part number here for the oil pressure switch. And then here we just have a clutch cover. I needed this because my last one was a little rusty and it broke on one of the hinges here. So we have a brand new one of these. We're not going to be putting this in today. This is when I have the clutch on the car and everything's ready to go. But we have this here for when we need it. We're going to get this stuff installed and stay tuned.
Young Chase finna hit these speakers.
All right guys, we also have our OEM oil pressure switch. I do need to torque this down. I didn't have the size I needed in a 1/2 inch, so that's no biggie. I'll go ahead and pick that up. But just to get everything kind of together and you know, plugged in. As you guys can see, I also did my fuel rails. Got my fuel lines on there. My injectors are already sent over to Injector Dynamics. Get those things flow tested and cleaned out. Just make sure they're good to go for when we get everything put back together. We have our OEM wiring harness also plugged in. Everything is where it's supposed to be. Did a slight wire tuck as well on it, so not as much is going to be seen. This obviously over here is a mess because I still don't have, you know, the valve covers and everything situated there that I need plugged in. I did want to go over this really quick. This is the 3MI AOS oil drain hose. This is a huge upgrade that I was super excited to get and to be able to put on the car. So no better time than now to get that thing done. It was pretty simple and straightforward. They do sell a smaller kit. I would recommend getting the smaller kit because I probably cut off a good 9 to 10 inches off the off the kit that they sent me to get it to fit with the factory location. I think I might have just ordered the one for like a rotated kit or something, but that was no biggie. They're both the same price anyway. So we got that in. I'm super excited to run this. We have our FP turbo oil line here connected to the back of the block there. Yeah, I mean, everything's really coming together now. I did my valve lash on everything. I'm just waiting to go pick those up from Rhode Island from Matt Miner. Also for the 3MI AOS drain hose kit, you're gonna need this little adapter that goes into the breather fitting down here. This is the breather fitting where on the IAG AOS there's like a Y fitting. You'll need a special adapter that 3MI also has listed on their site. So I'll link that down below. And then I did about 6 inches of 1/2 inch hose just to bring it up. Make sure that my intercooler coupler is able to fit and this is able to lead straight to the AOS. So I'll supply that part number down below, but the install wasn't too bad, obviously. I mean, if this was in the car, it'd be a lot worse, to be honest. But yeah, she's really coming together. I need to go ahead and do the timing belt still. I've just been waiting to get my valve buckets and get everything situated with the cams, get those permanently installed, everything torqued down, get the sealant around the outside and slap the valve covers on. Once I get those valve covers on, I can start putting on my ABCS gears, start getting my intake ABCS solenoids in. And I mean, from there, it's pretty smooth sailing. I did purchase a new master slave cylinder, so got that all installed down there. It's gonna be a bitch to bleed it, but we'll take care of that when we get there. So we're getting there, boys. We're really getting there. Having the oil cooler on is definitely something huge that I've been waiting for a while. So I'm very happy to get that over and done with and get that part installed onto the motor. So we got a little bit more to go, but we're getting there. Thank you guys for checking out the videos. Ever since the block came in, I've been really trying to push, you know, content out. We really have a lot of stuff done. I mean, look at this here. So she's really getting close. Next episode, you guys will see, we'll be torquing everything down, setting in our permanent cam buckets. I'm also going to just double check and triple check and verify all my measurements are right before we get the valve covers on. Start getting, you know, I'm gonna tighten down the coil packs, get the coil packs installed, get those tightened down just to help with the sealant, make everything cure. No spark plugs are going in the car. I heard this is very essential to do when you're trying to get oil pressure and get everything, you know, ready for the actual first start. So no spark plugs going in, and yeah, I'm very happy with the progress on everything that we have so far. She's looking really good, and I'm super excited to get this thing started up. So first start coming very fucking soon, very soon. I'll see you guys in the next episode, boys. Peace.